Good morning from my riverbed. So, this looks firm, but it isn't firm. It's very soft. There's water under. The river is over here on my right. It's like 150 meters, but there's water here. So this is what has happened to me. I'm stuck. So I slept here last night, and I will figure out how to do this today. Yeah. But all of this is water. See, that is a riverbed. So, the work has to commence. This is mad, you know, because this is the firm part. I came out of here and reversed here and got stuck. Then I pulled out of here and we thought here was firm, so I turned here and the vehicle just sank. This should have told me, look. My treads, they're sinking here. So this should have told me it was soft. This was a signal. So when I come out, I have to stop there, turn, and come back this way. The army is over there. Hopefully they could have given me a tow. But well, you will see what happens. Yeah, I'm on it. The people from the village, yeah, Tintiba and Domboto, they should be coming to help me. But I'll try my best by myself first and see where we go from there. See you on the flip side. Still stuck. Try to get tractors and all that stuff, but no chance. The tractor said he came and he got stuck. So here I am again. Midday break. It was 41 degrees midday. So it's a little bit cooler now. 34, 35 degrees. Huh?
No. No. Ah, ya dah aku man. Bula masam.
Because and the fisherman.
Huh?
Yeah, go. By Musa.
Manda. Huh?
I wouldn't try anything without the elders, to be honest. I want to wait for the elders. Because I've only got one chance. Bring it back here and then head this way. Very fast. Once I turn, I come back slowly. Once I turn this way. And this way, once I get traction, I am gone. Woof! That's my target there. Because all this is riverbed. And Padding said, don't come, don't. Never again. Whatever any old man says, or old woman, I have to listen. Oh, his nets are there. Yes, I'll just come straight here. This is my target. Yeah. Pew. Once I get traction. Yeah. The African journey adventure continues. Let's see how this goes. You know, I'm gonna mark. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna mark it. I'm going to mark it. That's the way the water came. So I can check if the water is going back or coming forward. Look all here. I'll check. But the water went up there. It's beautiful, but it's dangerous. Day 3.